The NAW 3D Pellet 3D Printer. This innovative pellet-based option sounds intriguing. Let's unravel its colorful possibilities and see if it might be the perfect fit for your 3D printing adventures. Pellet Powerhouse. Say goodbye to filament tangles. NAW Pellet System eliminates filament woes, offering smoother printing and less frustration. Wider material range. Explore a diverse palette of materials, from vibrant PLA and ABS to exotic options like wood and metal composites, unlocking new creative possibilities. Eco-friendly edge. NAW pellets boast reduced waste compared to traditional filament spools, making your printing more sustainable. Enhanced temperature control. NAW pellet feeding technology ensures consistent filament temperature, resulting in cleaner and more precise prints. Reduce vibration. The pellet system minimizes vibrations, leading to smoother layer lines and improved print quality. High-speed printing. Crank up the pace without compromising quality. NAW pellet system allows for fast printing speeds while maintaining accuracy. Here are some of the pros and cons of the NAW 3D Pellet 3D Printer. Pros: easy loading, compact design, user-friendly interface. Cons: new technology, material availability, price. Overall impression: the NAW 3D Pellet Printer presents a compelling option for adventurous makers seeking to explore new materials and printing experiences. Its pellet system offers advantages like stability, precision, and a wider material range, while its compact design and user-friendly interface make it a convenient choice. However, the newness of the technology, potential limitations in material availability, and higher price point are factors to consider before making a decision. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.